Acronyms. An acronym is pronounced as a single word rather than as a series of letters. NASA, for instance, is an acronym. It stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Occasionally, an acronym becomes so common that it is taken for a regular word, and people no longer think of it as an abbreviation. The word laser, for example, originated as an acronym which expands to light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. However, few people know that it is actually an acronym. In this lesson, we will learn all there is to know about acronyms. What exactly are acronyms? Sometimes we have a lot to say, but little time to say it. That's where acronyms come in and help speed things up. Acronyms are created to shorten long phrases and speed up communication, much like abbreviations and initialisms. Refer to the Grammar Orbit chapter on abbreviations for more on abbreviations and initialisms. You've likely seen these acronyms in everyday life mixed in with common texting abbreviations. Let's look at some common acronyms now. Common acronyms. AM/PM stands for ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. ASAP stands for as soon as possible. BOGO stands for buy one, get one. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. PIN stands for personal identification number. Radar stands for radio detecting and ranging. SCUBA stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. ZIP stands for Zone Improvement Plan. Computer and Internet acronyms. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. GIF stands for graphics interchange format. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. Brand and organizational acronyms. AT&T stands for American Telephone and Telegraph. BAFTA stands for British Academy of Film and Television Arts. CARE stands for Cooperative for Assistance and Relief Everywhere. DARE stands for Drug Abuse Resistance Education. FIFA stands for Fédération Internationale de Football Association. H&M stands for Hennes and Moritz. NASDAQ stands for National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. Yahoo stands for yet another hierarchically organized oracle. Thank you.